Doesn't say he's moves though. Oh, maybe. Yeex in the losers in this Grands. Interesting.
You also mind
Right.
You get diamond faster though.
Alright. See both players with these very fast low percent combos. Both immediately ready for this Grands, playing very, very, very fast. Alright. With this nice nair there, trying to get that backer for that early kill. Both players are sitting at the top of these brackets time and time again. We'll see which one is able to eke it out. Well, AciD's won about half of the CSU tournaments. Let's see if Yeex is finally able to upset him. Nice F tilt there. Ooh, very nice fast fall into shield, catching AciD trying to punish him. It's very, very good timing. Ooh, delaying that dash attack and AciD delaying his get up even. Both these players immediately adapting to each other in just one stock. The recovery behind Greninja. Greninja not having really an out of shield option to punish behind him. Cannot grab. It was a very interesting choice. Very smart. Alright, well, let's drag down up air up smash. Greninja classic. See Yeex holds in towards the stage and is ready for the stage spike. Does not come down to that. Ooh! AciD with missed timing, hoping he air dodges. Instead he goes for a hitbox. Ooh! F smash will take that stock at 80%. Very, very low. And we'll see if Yeex is able to answer back with a smash attack of his own. See AciD, that huge jump from ledge, will get right over that back air. There's a very good advantage in this matchup. Greninja being able to weave over these back airs at ledge. Ooh, both players going for some very interesting options. Ooh, we see these different distance dashes from Yeex being so good. Alright, AciD now back off stage. Yeex just opting for these back airs, hoping one of them hits. Ooh, nice footstool. Oh man! AciD cooking right now.
Everyone except for the screen setup start cleaning up. We need to be out here by 11, which is like 10 minutes. So, last game. Okay.
Alright, nice F tilt right there. Taking that stock finally. See AciD going for this roll read. Wanting this kill right now. Commanding it. Oh, nice. No fast fall on that back air. And mixing up that shield. Oh, nice jump out of that dash attack chain. That forward air will take that game one for AciD.
Yeah, use that turn today. I don't know what the fuck it is.
I know what that means.
Oh, it was you! No, I thought
Getting into this game two. See Yeex trying to mentally prepare himself right there. Rubbing his hands together, changing songs. Going back to PS2. Wow. Gets the trade. Hits on that and will take that stock. Practically zero in 10 seconds. Oh, man. The AciD putting Yeex in the corner again. Ooh, nice roll in there. Another different timing of tech option. Oh, nice slip under up smash there. Catching Yeex staying on that platform. Oh, such a high up air. Not quite going to kill yet, though. Gets that dash attack forward air. Doesn't quite kill. And AciD just keeping Yeex in this corner here, so scary. But side B will swap the situation, and Yeex going for a very interesting option there. We'll lose the stock because of it. Rolling it up smash, won't quite kill. Just out of the percent range for it. Oh man, AciD putting on the shield pressure so fast. Oh, tries going for that tech chase and just misses it. Gets back thrown. Is now one stock up on Yeex in this game 2.
We have 8 minutes. Stranglers, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Like the reflector there. Ooh, man. He's almost losing that stock again super early. That is the fear of playing Wolf. Recovery can be caught very early. Plays that get up option even later. Ooh, and takes that up smash, dying at such an early percent. AciD going for the same read he went for last game. Opts for the classic Greninja option, dash attack with forward air. See, Yeex does not have an answer right now. AciD just one game from taking this. Yeex needing to take 3 games just for a chance to get first. Changing songs again. See what he's able to opt for. Yeex changing to that Sephiroth.
Oh, me too.
No,
It's this one. Yeah. Right. Oh, we do see Yeex getting this very fast damage. See if this Sephiroth was the right play. Down air landing hitbox. Barely keep him safe from a big punish. Man, actually getting a parry on an F tilt and able to punish it. Uh-oh, Yeex recovering just a little too high. But now has a wing and will be way faster, way scarier. This character's such a threat. Oh, and hits another forward air, knowing Yeex isn't going to press a button out of it. And covering just a little too low. Very, very unfortunate for him. Losing that stock without being able to use that wing too much. Ooh, nice dash attack there, but does not quite get it. Ooh, catches those options with that slow shield that we saw in the last set. Alright, drag down up airs. These up air strings. Oh, nice drift out on that. Yeex being very, very slippery with this Sephiroth so far. Oh, nice drag down back air there. 50-50 between missing the tech and getting stage spiked or having to air dodge and die. Ooh, nice little string from there. And a down air hitting below the platform as Sakurai intended. And that poke with that forward air, so huge. Very, very good. Oh, counters that. And with the JV3, AciD takes the tournament on Yeex. Great gameplay all around.